I'm Kit from the Vintage Sewing Kit. Today I want to introduce you to a great sewing tool that I make and sell in my shop, Kit's Baubles and Bits. Meet my sewing machine needle organizing pincushion. This pincushion is perfect for organizing your sewing machine needles. We have 8 segments to store your different types of machine needles, such as jeans, stretch, jersey, quilting, top stitch, and woven. These segments are then further broken down by needle size and duration of use. Changing your machine needle regularly helps prevent skipped stitches. Bernina's blog recommends changing your needle after 4 or more hours of sewing, while Babylock's website says after 8 hours of sewing. Both manufacturers use the start of a new project as a reminder to change your needle. My handy pincushion helps you remember how long you've used the needle in addition to the type and size. These pincushions are filled with chopped walnut shells for weight and to help protect your needles. They're finished with a sweet little button. My pincushions are sold ready to use or as a make-it-yourself kit. Both can be found at my shop, Kit's Baubles and Bits. Thank you for checking out my video. Stay tuned to this channel for a detailed tutorial of the make-it-yourself pincushions.